What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back on our food review taste test video. I got something cool. I got some mushroom jerky. I believe I did a kind of mushroom jerky in my channel before, I believe. But I never did this brand. This is Pans. I actually picked this up at the farmer's market in Celebration, Florida. There was a jerky stall. He had lots of different jerky. And I actually got some others, and I reviewed another video, but I haven't, it's not live yet, but you'll see that, but you'll see this too soon, hopefully. But this is done by, I think, Pans, Panko Foods, mushroomjerky.com, and after a trip to visit family in Malaysia, I returned home with a family recipe I couldn't wait to share with the world. Made of shiitake mushrooms, Pans mushroom jerky provides a delicious umami taste and satisfying texture that herbivores crave and carnivores love. Pans mushroom jerky is now proudly made in the Pacific Northwest with an updated recipe that uses simple ingredients. And the ingredients is dried shiitake mushrooms, organic coconut, sugar, avocado oil, water, organic teriyaki seasoning, organic orange peel powder, organic garlic, sea salt, organic coconut sugar, organic ginger, pink lemon salt, organic chia seeds. Now, he had, I think, about 5 different flavors, but I got teriyaki because teriyaki jerky is always usually my favorite flavor. Anyways, no more talking. Let's get in here and get trying this. The last mushroom jerky I tried, I did not like at all, so I'm hoping this is better. What a... It's hard to explain, but the smell is like a dry smell. Definitely spicy. It reminds me of, I don't know what that reminds me of. Maybe it smells almost like chili. It looks like it's, you're not going to be able to see very well, but let me just pull out a piece. Definitely looks like regular jerky. Give it a try. The texture is like regular jerky. It's not tough, but it's not super soft either. It's not like gushy like some jerkies can be. It's pretty decently dry. I still don't know if I like this. It's not bad. Definitely better than the other mushroom jerky I had. It does have the teriyaki flavor. I think I can get used to it. I think this is something where the more of it I eat, the more I like it. You wouldn't know that you're eating mushrooms. Alright, sorry for the weird cut. I didn't realize my memory card was like really low, so I ran out of space. But yeah, you taste the teriyaki, but there's something else there. It might be because of the mushroom. Maybe that's what I'm really tasting. That's affecting the taste. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not. I think the more of this I'll eat, the more I'll like it. I really like mushrooms, so. Yeah, I would never know this was mushroom by the texture. But the more I'm eating this, I'm starting to like it a bit more. I really need to try some of the other flavors. But this is very interesting. Who would have thought to make jerky out of mushrooms? When I was a kid, almost the only jerky you'd really see would be made out of beef. Since then, chicken, turkey, fish, I've seen tortoise, I've seen turtle, I've seen all these different kinds of meats. Yeah, the more I'm eating this, the more I'm kind of liking it. I really need to see about getting some of the other flavors. Now, this was expensive. This was $10. So, definitely not cheap. At least from the seller that I bought it at. If you found it from another seller. Could be less, I don't know. I just see how much it would be to buy this, if I can, buy it from them directly. I definitely recommend it. If you like kind of like different kinds of jerkies, definitely try this. It's very interesting. And, wow. Here. Come on. Come on. There you go. So Pan's mushroom jerky teriyaki flavor. Definitely interesting. Alright, any comments, questions, please put below. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.